Elevate your homemade pasta experience with the KitchenAid pasta press attachment, designed exclusively for KitchenAid stand mixers. This versatile attachment effortlessly transforms your mixer into a pasta-making powerhouse, enabling you to create a variety of authentic, homemade pasta with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pasta maker or a kitchen enthusiast, this attachment brings the art of pasta making right to your countertop. Key features: 1. 6 interchangeable pasta plates. The KitchenAid pasta press comes with 6 different pasta plates, allowing you to create a wide range of pasta shapes. Choose from spaghetti, bucatini, rigatoni, fusilli, large macaroni, and small macaroni. Each plate is carefully crafted to ensure consistent, perfect pasta every time. 2. Built-in wire cutter. Achieve the perfect length for your pasta with the built-in wire cutter. Easily adjust the length of your pasta by simply sliding the wire cutter across the pasta as it extrudes from the press. 3. Simple operation. Attach the pasta press to your KitchenAid stand mixer's power hub, and let the mixer do the work. The press is powered by the mixer's motor, providing steady, consistent extrusion of pasta dough for perfectly shaped noodles. 4. Durable construction. Made from high-quality materials, the pasta press is built to last. The durable housing and stainless steel parts ensure long-lasting performance, while the compact design allows for easy storage. 5. Easy to clean. The pasta press disassembles easily for quick cleaning. The pasta plates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup as simple as the pasta making process. 6. Recipe booklet included. Explore new pasta recipes and inspire your culinary creativity with the included recipe booklet. From traditional Italian classics to modern twists, there's a pasta dish for every occasion.